5 new saints. Pope Benedict XVI canonized 4 men and 1 woman last Sunday. Among the new saints is Father Damien, who ministered to the lepers in Hawaii before dying of the disease himself. President Barack Obama hailed Father Damien as an inspiration to those helping AIDS sufferers today. And that's a look at this week's Catholic News headlines. I'm Alicia Lavelle.
National service, community service, these ideas have been part of the American mindset for generations. In September 1993, President Bill Clinton signed the National and Community Service Trust Act, creating AmeriCorps.
Over 2 million Americans serve each year through AmeriCorps and its sister organizations, Senior Corps and Learn and Serve AmeriCorps. And one of the most successful AmeriCorps programs right here in Connecticut is in Hartford.
Crossroads reporter Stephanie Velikas has the details on the organization and its mission.
For these young people, walking down a school corridor is an exercise in national service. They're just a few of the Hartford AmeriCorps members working in the city's school system.
Instead of fighting, wars with bombs, they're fighting wars at home on poverty or on on improving educational aspects of things. Neighborhood safety, capacity building in communities, things of that nature.
I just graduated from Seton Hall in May, and I plan on going to graduate school, at some point. But I wanted to take some time off first, and do national service and give back.
These AmeriCorps members work as tutors and teachers' assistants at Opportunity High School in Hartford.
I was interested in this program especially because I've always been interested in education, but didn't get certified in college. So at this point I'm trying to decide, do I want to go on and get certified later? And I really, really wanted to get that classroom experience to decide because, it's hard to tell just from textbook learning.
Typically, young people over the age of 17, AmeriCorps members serve for 1 to 2 years.
The ideal AmeriCorps member is someone who's just, who has a real passion about giving back to their community and that they have commitment. I mean, if they have those two things, they're passionate about doing something to improve the lives of others, and they're committed to doing it, then that's something we can work with.
Now more than ever, it's starting to set in that I'm having an impact on these students.
They not only are just tutors, they're mentors. The kids rely on them. They depend on them. They become big brothers and big sisters to them. Sometimes they may not tutor. Sometimes they just want to listen to what that child has to say, because so many kids have more problems than just school.
The Hartford AmeriCorps program is in its 15th year with a focus on educational improvement and literacy.
One of the things that we've done this year is we've begun to transition our members from the elementary school setting to the high school setting to work in our partnership high school, Opportunity High School.
Opportunity High School is a collaboration between the Hartford public school system and Our Piece of the Pie.
Our Piece of the Pie is a youth service organization focused on helping young people become successful adults. We do that through our core signature program called Pathways to Success.
Opportunity High School serves students that are overaged and undercredited and pairs them with a youth development specialist.
Our aim is, if they're not coming to school, the youth development specialists engage those young people and begin to talk to them about what's in the way, what needs to change so that you're going to come to school. Very different approach.
OPP implements the Hartford AmeriCorps program, and together they are focused on catching youth that may be slipping through the cracks.
I'm learning something every day. I feel like I'm getting the experience that I was really hoping for, and I'm learning what issues really affect this community. There are issues that I never dealt with in Glastonbury, Connecticut, but they're very real and they're right here.
Our Piece of the Pie and AmeriCorps are dedicated to national service and giving back, with the hopes of making a difference one young person at a time. In Hartford, reporting for Crossroads Magazine, I'm Stephanie Velikas.
New Opportunity High School currently has 90 students enrolled this first year, with the goal of having 200 students enrolled next school year. There are 6 AmeriCorps members working there right now, with 12 more AmeriCorps members in elementary and middle schools throughout the city.
Well, that's it for this edition of Crossroads Magazine. I'm Allison Demers.
And I'm Father John Gatsack. Don't forget to join us again next week for more